Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about the application of Indeed job search. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your